Hello Afro Tribe, it's another time for another analysis, and today we are looking at silver, that is XAGUSD silver, right? We are straight into the daily time frame, and we can see that silver is very bearish at the moment, very bearish. So looking at the structure what has been formed, we had this order block that was here, or let me say a key zone, which price actually tapped into it, and now it is selling into this level, and we had a double bottom here. Now price looks like it's kind of retracing, right? So we know for sure that price is going to target this key area on the daily. Now when price reaches here, two things can happen. Either price will come, use this key area, and then continue to sell down, or price can just break through it and just continue to go up, right? These are the two scenarios. We don't know what will happen yet, so we are just going to trade into the zone and then wait for price to tell us what it wants to do, and then we take our next move from there, right? So now this is what we have on the daily. Let's go into the 4-hour to get some more simplicity and some more clarity. So on 4-hour, we can see that we had this being our last break of structure to the downside, right? This being our last break of structure to the downside, and then the high that caused it is this, and even this high have also been cleared out, right? That was when market opened, the high was cleared with a gap, right? So now that's what we're having. And then I can see that internally you can see that there was this break of structure too here internally, which is actually a change of character, right? And then there's this as well, there's this area as well, which is a break of structure as well. Don't worry, when I go into the 1 hour, you are going to see these areas very clearly. So now this is what we are having on the 4-hour time frame. This is what the 4 hour is giving us. So we can see that it seems like gold is reversing. Now if gold is truly going to reverse from here, it will target the low, right? The order block that caused this whole move to the upside, which is going to be this candle here. Now this is going to be the order block, right, on the 4-hour. So now our main focus now is here. We're now waiting for price to actually come down, right, from this zone and then into this order block, then we take the bar up, right? Now this is what we are looking at. So this becomes a liquidity point where we'll be looking to take our TP when price reaches this 4-hour order block. So let me just go ahead and mark it as a key level and also lock it, so that when we go and find our demand, it will not interfere. So straight into the 1 hour. Now this is where we look for our demand from. Since we are looking to buy, this is where we look for our demand, and inside this we can see that we have this candle being the demand zone, right? This candle being the demand zone, so which means that we are looking to take the buys from that side, right, all the way up. So with this we can see that this is going to be liquidity that price will clear, or better still, that's going to be an inducement area, right? There's going to be an inducement area, IDM, right? And this is what you are looking for. So if you are to position, we are going to have a position to here. Looking at where the 4-hour order block is and where the 1-hour order block is, I'm not so comfortable. Let's just look at what is happening on the 15 minutes to see and to get some more refinement into this whole thing. So on the 50 minutes, this is where our order block is going to be, right? And this is going right inside of the 4-hour key area as well, right? So now this gives me a bit more comfort, right? So if you have to position, we are actually going to look at price coming down here, right? Stop loss below this 4-hour order block or the 4-hour key level, and then TP will be here. This will be our first TP, right? And then second TP is going to be mid-range of this daily key area, right? But this is going to be our first TP because this is liquidity, which we know that price will definitely have to clear it, right? So this is what I'm looking for when it comes to silver. Now this retracement from the top, right, to the down is definitely we can catch some sells from this. So as the structure unfolds, I'll do more videos to let us see how best we can catch some sells before price comes into the order block, and then we take this buy that we have here. I am Afro Trader, and this is me breaking down silver. Let me know if there are any other pairs you want me to break down for you. I am out.